I don't know who need to hear this, but the boy know why you. Just stop texting him. It's like him know why you, okay?
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. It's the last day of October 2020. It's almost done, you know what I mean? There's 2 more months and we'll be there, people. You see me? I hope everybody's doing good so far. So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today I have some video line up for you, know what I mean? I have a freestyle from Shaneil Muir. You know how she do her thing already. You know say she well lyrical. You know say, you know what I mean? She well passionate about what she does. So I have a little clip for sure, no? And also, you know what I mean, I share the guitarist, I play our song too. So first, I go show you the one where she a freestyle. You see me as the people it bad. Remember the last time I showed you the one where she a talk about the surgery thing. Now that one is a different topic. It just show you how Shaneil Muir versatile, right? So without any further ado, you know what I mean, here is the video.
I just feel every man out for hurt me. I can't trust no man because I tell you the truth. For lose myself, I know it, no hurt it. I can't love again, me heart paralyzed. I swear me in need of therapy. Before I make a man use me, I prefer to use myself than for make a boy hurt me. I swear I can't love again. Can't take another band-aid, but my chest another man is like another mistake. My heart breaks, so I take a quick break. Swear I can't love again. Can't take another.
People, this song is not new, right? This song was released about 8 months ago and it up on Akam YouTube channel, right? But you know, since then she grew a lot and she got other big song. But that song is still a good song, and the way she just perform it, we just feel like it worth it for sure. No? So if you don't want to hear the full song, you can just search on YouTube and the song name Love Again, right? And it's on Akam YouTube channel. Now more for sure, no, I share the guitarist. Now this man cover a lot of songs. You see me I say, but I'm still this kind of surprised when time I hear him cover Shaneil Muir, because you know him always covers up Vibes Cartel. Me hear him cover Munga song before. Well, in not really prejudice, some should have said that, you know what I mean? Because I see him cover all Massacre song, everybody's song. But here is Asher the guitarist covering Yamabella. Ladies, be honest, how much I wanna did actually I sing the lyrics to the song while I played on the guitar? You see me? Would you put that in the comment section and tell me? But yes, people, you know, I'm glad for to say Shaneil Muir is getting the attention which she deserves. You know what I mean? Because people, she have a lot for forward. You know, she dropped music yesterday also too. You know what I mean? The song is called You and I, and it's featuring Benson Clickstar. So you can check that out on our Vivo page, and it's a music video, right? So you can over there and watch it. But like me I say, people, she are going good out there. You know what I mean? Her song them get play. People are give her the highlight them where she deserve. You know what I mean? She'll get whole heap of reposts and them thing. Because she well active on the social media, you know what I mean? She out enough artists, you know what I mean, them post like them daily stuff or whatever. But when you see Shaneil Muir stuff, you see music. You see me? Nothing wrong with what the other artists them are posting. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying what the other ladies are posting. Nothing wrong with it. But me I say when you see VR stuff, I'm mostly music. You see me? So big her up for that. Alright, people. So let's move on to our next story, right? So Romeich was on live with Lava the other night. And you know, Romeich say him donate some tablet. Because you know the thing go already, right? A lot of parents know the thing go with the online schooling. You know, there's internet. First, everybody thought internet was the problem. So now everybody get Wi-Fi. And then the kids then on a tablet, then on a computer, no way to connect to the internet. So that is a new problem. And a lot of people, Lava himself, I try help out with that. You know what I mean? Mr. Other organization, I try help out with that also. So if anybody listen to this and can help donate some tablet to whatever school or, you know what I mean, whatever entity, know for a fact that will be well received and well appreciated by whosoever want to choose to donate to, right? So people, let's take a look at the video and let's see what Lava and Romeich say. Here goes.
Before you come over here with the 7,000 ad, you just bring like 1,000 ad of it. Nobody no committed then.
So you mean, okay, no problem.
Nobody really committed then.
Tell me for the feel bad about that?
Right now, no, I'm married after than you, because I'm married over here, we got 12,000, 13,000. I'm married after than you.
How name, sir?
Pussy clot.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Vicks Vapor Patch, easy to wear with
Who name, sir?
Vicks Vapors for her,
What you say, I'm married?
for the whole family.
How we are talking about?
Trusted,
The lady with the, the lady with the tattoo them.
Okay, no, I
Yeah,
won't
but
know.
like her, she can't sing.
So you're not vice, sir.
No, she never asked me for voice, sir.
She should ask if a vice, you're the vice, sir.
Once she now come from mash up in the studio.
What you talking about? It's Lava place.
So the people want to know how much
every day. Secret.
tablet you give it, you put towards it.
Every time.
Let me see how much money them put first now. And then we can know what we do after.
So why you have to say how much money I put
Brother,
towards it? Why
you know
can't
me
tell me
always give up to the people. For one thing, if
Right.
anybody can hate me or anything, them can say me always give up to the people. Remember say, me find 2 schools already and give it over 40 tablets. You know?
now? True.
I remember saying in the whole quarantine time, I give it more than 50 tablets. You know?
True,
Yeah.
you talk. True, you
So we
talk.
don't come out and print it on billboard. I'm stop the live thing because people that get bad minds say, yo, me I give it too much things in them area and them a look bad and this and that. So me just love it and do it privately.
Oh. Nicky Black said 10. Nicky Black said 10.
That's it.
Okay, hear that? Wanna hear that?
Yeah, but I ain't
Okay.
idea, brother. I know say me is all about my Jamaican people. I'm all about my street, because them wonder how a little ghetto youth like me from Walton Park Road come and uplift certain things like that. So I stick
Right.
with the people. And if you notice a party, them I'm keep. My birthday party, one of my biggest party. Where if quarantine never, if them fucking corona never go on out, that go on. I remember saying
True that.
a free party that. Waterworld my next biggest party where only 1,500 I'm charge people them for going and drink free. The caliber person is me could I easily keep one of them 5, 6, 7, 10 grand party and I don't. Because I like party with the people them on the street. I like a Roopsie party, I like a authorized party, I like them boom boom party and all of them parties in the streets. And that's how we think there. You understand?
Okay, people, so now you hear Romeich say him saying actually give away over 50 tablets in total already, and him still I go give more, right? And him go as far as mentioning in party them and I say him could have charged more, and him could have charged for him birthday party and so forth, but you know what I mean? The birthday party free, but it now go on this year because Rona, and also water party where him keep him say him only charge $1,500 for your come in and your drink free. So he must say him could have definitely charged big money for those, but him don't because him respect the Jamaican people them and him love the Jamaican people them and him just want party with the people them, you know what I mean? So him just share the blessings that way there where him can. So that's the end of today's video, people, and if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. To all my long time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing and commenting, right? So thank you everybody for watching. Just tune in tomorrow again, you know, more video daily updates, you know what I mean? We are trying to make sure so you get stories every day, right? So no big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is wherever you are. Take care. Stay safe.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.